Welcome to Us Bike Pro, where we bring you the latest updates from the two-wheeler world. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Honda Activa 7G, a scooter that continues Honda's legacy of trust while adding modern upgrades for daily riders and families. Fresh design and premium look. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G comes with a refreshed design that feels more premium and stylish than before. Honda has refined the body panels, improved fit and finish, and introduced new color options. The overall look remains familiar, but the sharper lines and updated graphics give it a more modern road presence. Engine performance and mileage. Powering the Activa 7G is a refined 110 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. Honda focuses on reliability, low vibration, and quiet operation, making this scooter perfect for city commuting. Mileage remains one of its biggest strengths, helping riders save fuel in daily use. Smart features and technology. Honda has added new smart features in the 2026 Activa 7G. It includes a digital analog instrument cluster, smart key system, engine start-stop technology, and improved LED lighting. These features make daily riding more convenient and add a modern touch to the scooter. Comfort, safety, and ride quality. Comfort has always been a strong point of the Activa, and the 7G continues the tradition. A wider seat, better suspension setup, and improved braking with combined braking system ensure a smooth and safe ride, even on rough city roads. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G is a perfect balance of reliability, comfort, mileage, and modern features. It's an ideal choice for students, office commuters, and families looking for a dependable scooter. For more such updates, stay connected with Us Bike Pro.